Kisan Sammelan and Krishi Pradarshani for creating awareness on Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana PMFBY. Krishi Vigyan Kendra Jalna has organized one-day Kisan Sammelan and Krishi Pradarshani for creating awareness on Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana on 4th April 2016. At the outset, Shri Rao Saheb Danve, Member of Parliament Jalna, inaugurated the Krishi Pradarshani and visited stalls, exhibited and discussed on different technologies displayed in the exhibition. Total 29 organizations showed different technologies in Krishi Pradarshani, including KVK, Agriculture University, State Department of Agriculture, private companies, and innovative farmers and self-help groups. About 700 farmers participated in this Kisan Sammelan and Krishi Pradarshani program. The Kisan Sammelan was inaugurated by auspicious hands of Mr. Rao Saheb Danve, MP Jalna, Shri Vijay Anna Borade, Project Director KVK Jalna, was the chairperson of the session. Shri Narayan Kuche, MLA Badnapur, Mrs. Shweta Shalini, Shri Deepak Chaudhary, Chief Executive Officer Zilla Parishad Jalna, Shri Dashrath Tambhale, District Superintendent Agriculture Officer Jalna, Shri Santosh Alse, Project Director Atma Jalna, Dr. M.B. Patil, Officer in Charge, Sweet Orange Research Station Badnapur, Shri S.V. Sonune, Senior Scientist and Head, KVK Jalna, Shri Rameshwar Bhandarge, Shri Siddhavinayak Mure, Shri R.B. Hande, District Sericulture Officer, Shri Rahul Singh, Scientist, Central Silk Board, REC, Aurangabad, Shri H.B. Zanzan Patil, Agriculture Development Officer, Zilla Parishad Jalna, were present on dais. Initially on this occasion, for their outstanding contribution in agriculture, some innovative farmers from the district were felicitated by offering shawl and bouquet with the hands of Shri Rao Saheb Danve. Publications like Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, IPM in Chile, KVK Information Folder, and Kisan Suvidha mobile app folders were released by Honorable Chief Guest. Literature specially prepared on Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, distributed by Member of Parliament Mr. Rao Saheb Danve to representative farmer, and copy circulated to all farmers. Shri S.V. Sonune, Senior Scientist and Head, gave introductory and welcome speech. In the inaugural speech, Shri Rao Saheb Danve opinioned that use of improved technologies will be benefited for improving the economic condition of the farmer. For life-saving irrigation of crop, farmers should take benefit of farm ponds, he intended. Shri Vijay Anna Borade, while giving presidential speech, addressed the farmers and highlighted the importance of organic carbon in the soil for improving soil health. He concluded that improved agricultural technologies can sustain the farming community in these crises. Shri Dashrath Tambhale imparted knowledge on Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. Other guests Shri Narayan Kuche, Shri Deepak Chaudhary, Shweta Shalini expressed their opinion in the program. In the technical session, Dr. M.B. Patil gave lecture on management of fruit crop during summer season. Project Director Atma, Shri Santosh Alse, Shri B.M. Hande, District Sericulture Officer, Dr. Rahul Singh, Scientist from Central Silk Board, REC, Aurangabad, Shri P.G. Bhagwatkar, DDM, NABARD, has given the information about their different schemes which are benefited for farming community. At the end, Mr. P.V. Vasre, Agriculture Engineer, KVK Jalna, expressed vote of thanks.